Hello everyone, I'm Mai Mai. I'm come from Nghệ An province. Today I recording sound from first snowfall. Now we are listening first snowfall. Today in November 26th, it's snow all day today. The snow is beautiful. The snow finally stopped. My sister and I are excited. My mom doesn't like snow. My mom had to stop the drive away. My sister and I went to play. I put on my hat and mittens. My mom put on my scarf. My mom zipped my jacket. My sister put on her hat and mittens. My mom put on my scarf. My mom zipped my jacket. My sister put on her hat and mittens. My mom put on her skirt. My mom zipped her jacket. My sister and I go outside. We begin to make a snowman. My mom starts to shout the snow. My mom starts to snow the snow. My sister and I make no angel. My sister and I threw snowball. It starts to snow again. We go inside for hot chocolate.